Abeg, before you scroll pass, wait. This video wey I wan show you now no be your regular wahala talk. VDM spoke the truth and e dey pain me say no be everybody go hear am. Abeg, stay with me. Shey you know say if we fit gather kick Tinubu out of power, Nigeria go better by 70%. Guys, the confidence wey VDM take carry this message no be small o. Make we watch the full video together. E go open your eyes. Abeg, if you haven't subscribed yet, do am now so you no miss content like this.
Dear Nigerian youth, please just take 1 minute, make take listen to me. If we can kick Tinubu out of power, Nigeria done better by 70%, I swear to God. Listen to me. If we can kick Tinubu out of power, collectively we join hands together, Nigeria done better by 70%. It only means that tomorrow, if we elect any person and they do what in Nigeria want, we the people can still kick the person out. Then they will be forced, anybody will take over power. We'll be forced to do what the people want. We'll be forced to hear the cry of the people. I'm taking this thing as a war. I'm taking this thing as a war. A leader that will not listen to the cry of the people has to go. This is the time. Take it from me. Collectively. I say if it means, say, when I go to preach am, say make people get voters card. Time don't reach to make that sacrifice. We are getting close. Remove President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from power now. Nigeria done better by 70%, I swear to God. Once you can do that successfully, you can easily kick out a governor. You can easily kick out a local government chairman that is not functioning well. Understand the war they go fight now. Understand the battle that we are getting into right now. It's not by protest. And this part I need to remind you people. 80% of the people that use the social media, they don't even have voters card. I swear to God. All they do is chat online. If I tell everybody now that snap yourself, everybody for comment section, say snap yourself with your voters card, I swear to God, it's like 10,000 comments, you know, get 700. It's like 10,000 comments, you know, get 700. Somebody will open his mouth and tell me that voting no counts now, they go rig. If voting no important, politicians no go they pay money for campaign. They no go they look for celebrities where they go carry join their party. They no go they spend that kind of big money for bag of fries and giving 5,000 naira if voting no they important. Bro, voting is very important. Very, very important. Don't let anybody want you. That orientation will not need them. That is why they can easily go to the market, give all those our mothers for 5,000 naira and small rice. Those our mothers go stand for queue. No people where they do social media, they vote. It has always been like this. That is why the place they get the highest votes are in the northern states. Because in the north, they don't do media. You go see them for long queue. That's why politicians can easily use them. They'll just go do sadaka for that area. If votes no dey important, bro, orientation gas change. I swear to God, they know they pay. If you know, they don't try to lobby me. But me, I talk am over. I say Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it's not politics for me. It's about the betterment of Nigeria at this point. Bro, I say sometimes I go on close my eye. I go remember the community when I visit, the way I see people lie down for down where they don't pipe. Do you know how many of those places I've visited? Where they'll pipe them today, I don't go there the next day. I go see with my own eyes, I go reach my house. And we have a president. People living from hand to mouth. The only thing that have been surviving Nigerians, where be farming, we can no longer farm. I said, go back to your history. The rich people from Nigeria, most of them were into farming. The rice, the granose pyramid, the yam pyramid. We were exporting cocoa. Now we don't even do all those things again. Because people can no longer farm. Why you think say price of egg? How much be egg now? If you don't, they go 5,000. This egg now the only thing before where poor man they use as meat if they no fit buy meat. Then they use and say they use until they complete their food. That's why they taught us balanced diet. Egg now the only thing where poor man fit afford. I remember, I swear to God, I remember when they were selling egg 5 naira, be 10 naira, be 15 naira. It moved from 10 naira to 15 naira for egg. Now how much is one egg? That was the only thing the poor man could use. But now the poor man cannot even afford to buy egg. You know why? Because the people that are meant to be doing the poultry, they don't have place again. Boko Haram can come and find them. And we have a government? It doesn't work. Like I said, social media people don't vote. The people that vote are in the grassroots. But you see, this is the time that we need to vote. And don't open that your mouth to say that the vote don't count. Else the politician will not be spending so much money for election. They will not be spending so much for campaign. They will not be spending so much to do what they are doing. Bribing influencers, bribing musicians, bribing popular people that they know so that they can follow them to go on campaign. It is because the vote actually counts. I'm calling on every Nigerian youth. If you can successfully remove Tinubu this 2027, that's all we need. By 70%, Nigeria don't better. Anybody that's taking that office again will know that this youth in uniform, they can kick out anybody. They did it to Tinubu. Tinubu will be the benchmark. He will be used as a reference point. That a whole Jagaban, they removed him because he was incompetent and he was a failure that failed the Nigerian people. That what his people died without doing anything. That what a teacher beheaded without doing anything. That have children in bushes for more than 2 weeks now without doing anything. In Borno as we speak now, they don't carry people. In Kogi as we speak now, they don't carry people. And we get president, commander-in-chief of the armed forces that cannot use the armed forces for the benefit of the people. And they come Nigeria very soon. Because the way they talk lately now, some people feel as if, a very dark man won't run. He won't seek asylum. They know. It is within my rights. It is my right. We're in democracy. The government is not doing well. I speak up. I have the evidence. It's everywhere for everybody to see. The evidence that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not working and is a failure. And I will not stop saying that. Make I come Nigeria today, may heaven fall. I go still talk calm. It's not lie. VDM is not lying. This is not a propaganda. This is not a narrative. This is not. Of course, they know nobody can sponsor me. They don't bond them where they talk. They monitor my account. They monitor my account. They know what Very Dark Man have. They know what I eat. The government know what I eat. They know my mother. They know my father. They know my brother. They know my sister. They know how we live. They know my hands has to be very clean. So I can't take a penny from anybody to do anything. I'm speaking from my heart. 2027, Nigerian youth, listen to me. This is the most important time in the history of Nigeria. We will record the highest vote ever. Come 2027, the highest vote in the history of this country. Because all of us, social media people, will be off social media on the election day. We'll be off social media because we are at the polling unit voting. The only time we are bringing out our camera is to make sure that the vote counts. International communities go to watch. Say vote can't count, they can't make sense. Then Tinubu say no agree. Then the right people will step in. We all have to register. But else, every other group, every other movement in Nigeria, this orientation has to fly. We have to go to the grassroots. We have to preach to them. We have to tell them, bag of rice is not going to protect you. When kidnappers kidnap you, when Boko Haram bandits kidnap you, they will never ask for a bag of rice for ransom. They will ask for money, and they will ask for tens of millions. Say politicians are coming to give you a bag of rice to vote them, even in their incompetence, you are a joker. 5,000 naira that they give to you to vote for them will not cover you, because Boko Haram will never take 5,000 naira from you. They will take tens of millions. And even after taking tens of millions, they will kill you. Not just that, they will post that money on social media for everybody to see. Don't be a joker in 2027. Tinubu must go.
As you don't watch am now, I get one question for una. Drop am for the comment section. Wetin be your honest thoughts after watching this video? Do you agree say voting power dey with the grassroots? You think 2027 go different from before, or you feel say na the same cycle go repeat? Abeg, no be silent viewer, talk your own. Comment section dey wait for you. And if this video touch you, share am. Pass am to that your friend wey still dey say my vote no count, because clearly na now the message just began.